Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I have made a pumpkin cream cheese swirled muffin. Yeah, these are so delicious. I'm excited to share this recipe with you. So let's get started because it's that time to get cooking. So I've got my ingredients here on my counter, so let's make these muffins. So you're gonna need 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 2 eggs and 1/2 cup of oil. I'm using coconut oil and I have melted it. All right, I'm just going to mix this together. All right, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, then you will need a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. All right, then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to give a pinch of salt, and I think I'm going to switch from a whisk to a spatula. So I've got the pumpkin batter mixed up. Now I'm going to work on the cream cheese mixture. All right, I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, then I'm just going to take a whisk and I'm going to mix this all together. It comes together easier if your cream cheese is at room temperature. All right, so I've got my pumpkin batter, my cream cheese mixture, and a muffin pan that I have placed muffin liners, and I have greased them. And now it's just a matter of making these muffins. I'm using a portion scoop just because I find that it's easier. Then I'm just going to take a teaspoon of this cream cheese mixture, add it to the muffins. Then I'm going to take a toothpick and I'm just going to swirl that cream cheese mixture into the muffins. All right, then you'll want to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And these muffins are so easy to make. But come and check them out. I want to show you what they look like on the inside. These muffins are so moist, so delicious. If you love pumpkin, you're going to love these muffins. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.